morning, Kirtana, and welcome to the Retail Jeweler YouTube channel. We are going to talk about IIJS Virtual, but before that, many congratulations on your wedding. You got married in the month of May, right in the middle of pandemic, and so nice, and this actually proves that jewelry was always bought even during the pandemic, and it will continue to always be bought throughout the year. So what do you feel about the IIJS Virtual?
Good morning, Samitji. So I would like to say it's a great effort by GJEPC for being so agile at this moment and giving us such a great opportunity of hosting the show virtually. I know how much it takes time to bring in all the vendors, retailers, international clients, everybody on board. So I would really say it's a great effort, and the registration process, the whole flow has been really good. So I would really congratulate the whole team and thank you for giving us such a great opportunity, because IIJS is always a dream. It's like a shopping spree for retailers, and it's a one-stop destination. So we are glad we are not missing out during this pandemic season as well. So,
Kirtana, you have 12 stores now, 10 in Andhra Pradesh and 2 in Telangana, and now the 13th store is opening on at Vijayanagara on I think end of this month.
Yeah.
And so you must have already registered all your purchase team, from across all your stores. So What is it? What kind of products are you looking at IIJS Virtual? What kind of categories of products you're looking at to buy?
We would look at everything, and with the wedding season coming up and the regular purchase also picking up slightly. I mean, during the pandemic, we did feel that maybe this year will be slow, but with God's grace and everything, it's been going pretty okay. So we would look at definitely wedding jewelry and regular jewelry. So everything will be taken into consideration.
And finally, what will be your advice or opinion, on the market now from October till March? We know that the first 2-3 months of the financial year was not so good, but after it opened up from June, South especially was doing extremely well, So
Correct.
What do you feel will be the next 6 months, and do you think we'll all make up, for the entire year's business?
Definitely, we wouldn't make up for the entire year, but it will be great. Maybe we can look at 70 to 75% of our regular sale to be back. And given there are good muhurtams for wedding season, and people have a little money left, and gold is always seen as a good investment opportunity in South, or especially in India. So we would see a good amount of investment on purchase being made in gold. And definitely for the next 6 months, everybody is gearing up to be online, giving home services. So we have come up online since the last 2 years. So we have increased our inventory on the online sector as well. Our pages are more active. People are happy to see online and come and just pick it up from the store, have one good view of the jewelry and pick it up. So we have introduced virtual shopping also. They can virtual try on is there, then try at home is there. So we're giving more personalized services. So with that, even the customers are feeling like there's no hassle in their shopping experience. So we would like to add in more inventory and give more comfort and safety for people who wants to walk into the store, and also who are shopping online. So
that's very nice. This entire e-commerce you're doing for last 2 years, and this online part of our life has suddenly gone up. I think which was supposed to happen 5 to 10 years later has happened now due to the entire COVID situation. So what kind of jewelry are you doing in e-commerce? What is the kind of what is the response you're getting to, and the kind of product categories, price points? What is moving online for you?
So right now our focus has been majorly whatever we sell in the store, we'll put it in the e-commerce as well. That is our strength. So traditional jewelry has been our strength, and we are putting in that. And definitely with this COVID situation, people are buying small items as well. So we're picking up that inventory, and small item below 10,000, below 50,000 would be like gifting items. So the international market has also opened up slowly. So people have been buying, and we have been sending across to the US, Australia. Whenever it's feasible for us to send, the courier services are agreeing. We are sending overseas as well. So which has been a great thing.
So you feel, that this online is also very important because now a lot of children, live abroad and the parents are living in, say, a Vizag or a Hyderabad, and it is very helpful for the family to, gift or buy things in stores like yours and ship it to them as gifts or vice versa as well.
Yeah, it's vice versa. We get inquiries saying, could you deliver in Vizag or could you deliver in Hyderabad? We're planning to surprise our loved ones, let's say it family or wife or children. So it's really special for us also to cater to them, and it's like a very happy moment to see a glow on their face when they receive a gift. And we have something like a video calling facility where all the family members can view at the same time. So we have like up to 10 people can join in the meeting, and it will be as good as all of y'all are there and shopping together, and your aunt can suggest something, your mommy can suggest something. So it's a facility that we are doing. You can book a slot and then all of y'all can join in and do a live video shopping as well.
So nice to know. Very nice to know. What do you feel will be the percentage of online business in India for retailers, like you who are doing e-commerce, say 5 years from now, by 2025?
So 5 years from now, I think we can see it as a single store operating. It depends on how much you want to scale. It could give you, the possibility is huge. It's not limited to a place. So it's as good as having an own store, like in a place. So it will give you at least 10% or 15% of your entire revenue can be generated through online only.
That's very nice. Thank you very much for your time, and all the best for the main season, the festive season, and and all the best for your new showroom launch end of this month. And we'll see you at the IIJS virtual platform.
Yes. But definitely have to mention one thing. We will definitely miss all the warmth and hospitality from our vendors. But soon all of us will meet and celebrate like before.
Yes. Next year onwards, again, the physical show will start and we'll all meet again in Mumbai. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.